found the DJI in my mom's couch. Back to vlogging. I'm behind 3 weeks behind in this vlog game, but we're back at it. We are pulling up in, I think this is like Eastpointe off of Gratiot and Florida Street. My mom loves to go thrifting, so we're going to a thrift shop off of Gratiot. It's the veterans returning home. She said they got a lot of cool stuff, so let's go and see what they got for us today. Not at the door. A Brio, that's for water, like fresh water.
Put a price on it, yeah.
Our price $279.99. 300. Hi.
It's a heater or air.
Looks cool. Movie theater popcorn. Look at the popcorn maker.
Popcorn is free.
Popcorn free? Oh, that's what they have here. Should take it. Okay. Them is durable. What size? They're too big. CJ.
Waterproof.
No? What size?
Oh,
are
that's
they?
a youth one.
Yeah, he ain't on 1. He at 11 right now. Oh no, that's big. Okay, close.
I'll come over here. Toys.
You say you be at the toys? Damn, they got pads.
Wait, this is what Majida said she wanted diapers.
Auntie Majid?
Yeah.
Why?
She said, could I get her some?
Oh. I they selling at the thrift store.
What is this?
Huh? Is this a tens? Like a tens. They
Just what I
stole
wanted,
that.
but it's pricey.
Sorry. They got bedding. I always have a hard time in a thrift store if I'm not with somebody that does it. Like, they love it. Oh, here goes some home stuff. Kitchen. Right now we're on getting our kitchen renovated. Look at that. Glass toys. Board games. We like game night at the house. Those. Oh, look at this. It's a pottery. So cool. CJ loves the thrift store. Going to the man cave. Whew. I want to find me some kitten heels. The thrift store has always got the cute kitten heel. Whoa.
Whoa, this was back in the day, how people was clowning.
That's how you wanted your little...
That's how people was clowning.
That's how you wanted your bassinet to look?
No, that's how people...
People be having them now. Okay. Yes, that's nice. Oh, it's not. That's all I'm looking for something for CJ, because that's what they use at school to grab the different materials from.
You see this? Look at this. See, they put this up here.
Girls.
Can we get it for what's the name?
Who?
I'm gonna get it for Courtney.
Huh? Not you just want to spend $2.
Wait a minute, though. I don't know. Look.
That's too big for Courtney.
$14.99. They got it for $2.
That's too big for Courtney baby head. She probably won't even let Sydney wear it.
Why?
I don't know. You know, she want a cute something cute. It's called, she like, it's somebody cute and bedazzled. But who knows? Maybe she would. Can we spot the kitten? And not just any kitten heel. We need the pointy toe, sexy kitten heel. These are cute.
I'm gonna start sharing meals.
Take it home and what?
Taking home that food and not even wanting it.
I got a half a bowl of Cava at the house right now.
Oh, how was that?
It was really good. Not gonna lie, it was so good.
Really?
Oh, it was so good. If we was by there, we should have got that. It was so good. So good, girl. So flavorful, so good. They got pita bread. They almost competing with like Chipotle and Oga's. Cause the pita bread, they side pita bread, girl. Oh my god, it was so good. It says Friday. You said what?
I will put it up for me and I know how to reach it.
You're not gonna know how to reach nothing.
Uh-huh.
No, you're not.
Who a baby then?
Who what?
A baby.
A baby.
Yes.
Boy, I was sent the scooter. I was sent the scooter first off.
No.
So it's mine. I would just choose to let you borrow it right now.
No. I want to ride it.
It's mine until you start being good at school. You can ride it, but it's not. It's mine. When you be good at school and listen to those teachers, then you can have it. Okay?
Daddy, ride it.
You maybe.
Please.
Please.
Mm-hmm.
Please. Why? Why do you be being bad at school? How you gonna change your behavior at school? Tell me that first.
I will be good.
Being good means what?
The student and ride it when they be mine.
No.
Why?
Girl, get the scooter and then ride it. It will be mine.
I
Is
thought
that
you said be good and we start riding in something. Not riding.
No,
Why?
the scooter, girl. I'm asking you, what consists of being good at school?
Mommy, change your booty.
What are the things you gotta do at school?
Let me get you.
get into my theater?
Okay, that's one. What else?
And
Write your
Sit
teacher out. I'm
down.
sorry.
Sit down. Okay.
and pray.
No, and not play. It's listen to your teacher. Wait, no, you said listen to your teacher. Keep your hands to yourself. Say it.
See your hands to yourself.
Put your feet down. Stop doing all that. Stay still.
They still
Follow directions.
down, follow the rest, and
Follow instructions.
follow Justin.
Keep your feet on the ground because that's where they go.
I just thank
What I
you.
say? You
What
supposed to repeat after
happened?
me.
I thank you.
Keep your feet on the ground because that's where they go. Not kicking people. Say it.
Not taking people.
Put your foot on
Not
the ground.
scratching people.
Not judging people.
Not running away from your teachers.
Not running away from your teachers. Dun, dun, dun.
Not being loud at nap time. You don't have to go to sleep, but just lay there and be quiet. Maybe mommy will give you a book to go to school with, so when it's nap time, you can read the book and be quiet.
There.
You hear me? Is books
Yeah.
there? Well, you can read a book and be quiet. How about that? Oh shit, B, you trying to get me? Ain't no B, won't you, boy? All right, go, open this.
Open this.
Yeah, open it.
Hit so hard.
Oh my God.
I thought you hit so hard for me. I thought you need a big knife.
You don't need no knife, boy. You said you a grown up.
And
You gotta push those out. Push them out.
these.
Out. They go out. No, out. That's going in. Like this. You see how I push that out? Do that.
Yeah. I think I will join up.
You're not a grown up though.
I think I am.
You said you are, but you're just a kid.
Did this.
Hmm?
I swear me, you did this.
No, don't rip it. Let me see. Open it up, man. Ooh.
Yeah. They're mine.
Some blazer. Stay over there. Stay over. Take the bubble wrap off.
It's hot out there.
You think I got string?
Do I see you got what?
String.
Strength?
Yeah, I strong.
That mean you a grown up because you strong? Can I have some money then? Can you pay some rent?
What I had things.
Can you move out? You a grown up. Can you get your own place? Yeah? Can you move out?
Yeah.
Get your own house? Okay.
When I did bigger, I was their own house.
When you get bigger, I thought you was bigger right now. You said you was a grown-up. Grown-ups got their own stuff, man.
So was it big?
Grown-ups get big is what he said. Like,
They are in there out here.
you figure it out. That's the beauty of it. Yeah. Look at him. Figuring it out. That brain. School. Hey, Leilani! Get on it, boy.
Yes,
I get that. Hey, CJ.
Hey.
Say hey, nah. Going to Savage Fenty. Today is Sweetest Day, and I had no idea. So I gotta get my sweetie something. So we're downtown. We're going to Savage Fenty. But look at these two cuties getting married. Aww. So cute. Cute. Today we're supposed to be going to a Scream Fest later tonight. I'm ready to eat some Gladys Knight wings. Hitting the UFO bar. CJ's in his Halloween best. And let's go see what Savage Fenty Detroit got to offer us. I'm gonna walk down that way because I gotta go Scream one day. Remember I told you we got caught in the rain? It's big. You wanna do what? So cute. I love this place, Siren Hotel.
Huh?
The Siren Hotel, yes. It's a hotel and they have like a bar in the back. It's really cute. It's like all pink.
It's cute. Oh, and the books. I was looking at the records.
Oh. It's been a good day. Go get the food. Yep.
At the Scare Fest in Lenox, Michigan on 28 Mile. I got my babies with me. It's Sweetest Day, so I got all my sweeties with me. I got Riel, and we got Renaya, and I got my wife Kayla, aka Vacay. And we getting ready to enter into the Scare Fest, so y'all just come on, take a ride with us, and we're gonna see how scared they can get us today. Let's see if the wife got some money. 1 second. Big spender.
No.
Big mama.
I haven't been to a scary place in so long.
We're prepared to be scared.
I know, I'm always scared.
Ticket and you're gonna go straight, okay?
Turn up, turn up. Are you guys scared? Yeah. You scared? I know now you're gonna be scared.
You lost the DJI camera. Like,
I lost it.
yeah.
Sounds like a
Vegas.
library being good.
You lost it in Vegas.
I ain't lost it.
My boy. Lost it in Vegas, my boy.
Being a bachelor, the only thing I lost in Vegas.
You see what I'm talking about? How you doing out there? Enjoy the rest of the